Hi, welcome back to Monkey Root. Today we're on the st50 again. We're hoping to get it running. I'll be honest with you, today I don't see why it shouldn't run. It's not finished yet, obviously. I've still got bits to do to it, but I thought the engine's in, as you may have seen on the last video, so we're going to try and get it running today. I don't know what the car's like. I've cleaned it out. That's the best I can do. I don't know what it's like. So let's see if we've got a spark first. I know last time we didn't have a spark, but what I've done is I've cleaned the points, adjusted them a little bit. I just want to see if we've got a spark. Okay, let's turn this so I can see it. I am on, am I? No, you. No, nothing. Right, okay. I can do a couple of things here. I'm pretty convinced there's a spark at the points. So what I've done there is took off the main stator loom, look for the black wire, which is the coil, which is that one, and try again. If I've got a spark here now, it means the coils are dud. Yeah. Hold on, am I on here? Yeah, I'm on. Just black, isn't it? Okay. Yep. Got a start there. So it's got to be down to the coil. So what I can do for now, until I source a new coil, take that off. I might need that in a minute. I've got a spare coil. It's not off an ST, it's off a Charlie, so I can try and shoehorn it on the frame somehow. So what I need to do is same again, put it into the black, put that on there. Right, and somehow, because it's off a Charlie, it's shorter HT lead. So somehow I need to try and it'll be a different end on the plug. I've got one here somewhere lying around. There we go. Yeah. So we'll leave that there. Brand new plug as well, so it should start. It should spark. So just find a good earth. It should be that one. And then somehow try and hold that and let's move this wire out of the way. Look at that, lovely spark, it's just come off the earth, so somehow I'll have to try and, yeah, lovely spark there. Right, so somehow now I need to try and get that on there. I don't know the history of the engine. I've been told it was fully rebuilt, so we'll soon find out, hopefully, if it runs. It's got fuel in it, so let's see what we can do. Just see if I can get an earth on there. Okay, that's on. Right, fingers crossed. Oh, hold on, because there's no battery on it. You still put the cable on, you've got to loop the black wire, which is there. Brilliant. Okay. Right, fuel's on. Here we go. seem to. Got fuel. Hey up. Hey up. Let's just move you. Well, this is running. Let's just move you over here so you can see what I'm doing. Sorry about all this, I haven't sorted anything out. How was that? Right, should we try on the kickstart? Oops, a daisy. Should we try on the kickstart? So fuel's on. Didn't sound, the car didn't sound the best, but we'll see. Let's move this to the end a little bit. Give it a choke. Engine sounds sweet enough, to be fair. No, I'm still not convinced on that car. At least it's running. That's something. So what I need to do now is source another coil, take car back off, have a look what's going on in there, and then I can put the rest of it on, like the lean stand, the lean stand, centre stand, finish off the rear brake, which needs to go on. It's nearly there now, so I just need to do a bit of fine tuning on it, and then finish it off, and it's good to go. Hit the road, hopefully, you know, fingers crossed, and come out with me on the local rides, which will be good fun. And the badges are getting restored as we speak. They're like, as you know, they're like a big emblem on these early ones. I'll just show you what I mean, because I had a subscriber asking me about the badges. These are the sticker type, as I'm sure we all know, whereas you've got the solid badge type, which is on the st50s and some st70s. Obviously the CT is totally different, but yeah, this has got the emblems, so they're getting restored as we speak. I've got to spray the front headlight bucket. I can wire it all up then, so I'll have horn, lights and such like. Front cable to go on, speedo to go on, grips to go on. Seat is down here, which is in good condition. Battery tray is getting sourced. Battery's getting sourced. Chain is in the box somewhere, which is also the rear foot pegs. Side casing is in the box. It's all pretty much there. So I got the rear brake arm lever, whatever you want to call it. But I need to source a spring, which I've got one somewhere, which is for the brake stabilizer. Then I can put the back brake on. Air filter's got to go on. I think that's it really. There's not much left. I've got the cable ties that hold the cables on, the Honda ones, you know, the white ones. So like a glorified